Hep hep. Oh, hey guys. I am gonna play this game. It's
Five craft nights.
5 crafts at Freddy's.
No, 5 craft nights.
5 craft nights.
Yeah.
You idiot.
I'm not.
Just kidding, bruh.
Bruh.
Chill out, bruh.
Bruh.
Bruh. Can you please stop that? Because I'm trying to record. Okay, and KK is here. But she I don't think she's gonna play on here because she's just not. Oh yeah, I remember this world. Okay. It takes you forever just to get wood. I'm punching a tree. What?
You just got on the settings.
Yeah, how do I get off?
Resume game.
It's my... Do sheeps hurt you? I don't think so. I got raw wool. Why does it say raw wool? Raw wool.
That means you have to do something in the bed.
I'm getting hungry. How do you eat it? How do you eat it, KK?
Oh, you have quick inventory. You have to put up.
Thanks, son.
Oh, boy.
Son of a thingamabobber.
Son of a gun.
Son of a... Sorry, I'm not playing real Minecraft this time. Hero Brian. No, you can't kill him. But he's scared of you, so all he does, he runs away. Is she shooting at me?
No.
Because I hear bullets.
It's part of my music.
I'm gonna beat you up. I got 3 feathers. Seriously. Hi, Hero Brian. You playing basketball? I think I saw a cow. Minecraft is easy.
Dude, there's a ball up there.
Yeah, I know. Where's the cow?
Oh no.
Cow weather. Is that all I got? Well, I'm getting hungry. Well, I guess I just ate all my food. Well, at least I have 100. Do you have any food? I got 3 eggs. Minecraft doesn't give you 3 eggs if you kill them.
I know.
Hi, Hero Brian.
Why did you get that ball stuck in there?
I didn't mean to. It's not my fault.
Yeah, I made it.
You made it?
Yeah.
I'm jealous. I'm just kidding. How do you punch a chicken? 4 eggs.
That was hard. Gosh.
I'm already getting hungry again. Sword you! Oh crap, oh crap. He's kicking my butt.
Ow.
I got 2 horseshoes for nothing.
Ow.
A wolf and a bear.
No.
I wasn't gonna do it.
You only have 72 health.
I know. I'm not dumb. I'm not blind either.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Now shut up.
No.
Look. There's Hero Brian right there. So I'm not blind. Or deaf. People say I am. There's a bear in the tree, but it just fell. KK! KK! I got lime.
What?
I ate a lime.
Nice. Are you still recording?
Yeah,
Nice.
I think so. No, I got a foxtail.
Doesn't look like we're recording.
Yeah, I am.
Oh.
I'm gonna try my. I want to kill this bear, but I don't have full health.
Oh.
No, crap. Get me away.
Yeah. I'll give him a stand down.
No, the bear's trying to eat me. I'm running away from it.
Uma Thurman.
I hear the bear.
What a miracle.
Well, guys, I guess I will see you next time.